What's going on, guys? This is Steven at My Life TV. How are y'all doing this morning? I hope you're doing great. If you're not, you can if you want to. No doubt, it's your choice. Just want to thank you guys for subscribing. If you subscribe to my channel, and if you view my videos, thank you so much. Please like my videos, please. And please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We're over here at Miss Linda's Learning Farm this morning, and I just want to show you the horses, and then I was going to take y'all to a special place, to the barn where all the other animals are. Here we go, guys. I'm going to turn y'all around and show you the horses. I specifically don't know all the names of the horses. My wife does. But watch this, guys. As we open this gate, they each gonna go in their stall without being told where to go. It's awesome. Check that out, guys. Ain't that cool? They know where to go. Hey, babies. How y'all doing this morning? Brandy. See, guys, if you can see, this helps. You got the names up here. I heard some of the names might not match up with the horses. They got to change it out, but most of them are right. It's supposed to be... Is Cricket the real name on the far left, baby? Is this Cricket on the far left? Is that the real name? Okay, that's Cricket, Brandy, Pride, Grace, Tallulah, Phoenix, Sadie. And look, check Phoenix out, guys. Every time she goes to eat, he paws at the ground, so they had to put like a rubber mat down there so he won't, dig too deep. And you're wasting your food there. Check him out. Sadie, there he goes. See pawing? You'll see it in just a minute, guys. He's rough when he eats. There's Ellie. And Bella. And guys, look, this is our horse. This is Montana. And look at this big guy. God, I forgot his name, guys. I'll give it to you in a minute. What's his name, baby? Savior. Yeah, I think it's like one of the biggest horses out here. And there's a beautiful horse. Oh. Hey, Montana. Look, guys. This is our baby. Yeah, that's Montana. How you doing this morning, Montana? You happy to see Mom and Daddy? She's two, guys. This is gonna be my wife's barrel horse. She's in training right now. She's never been ridden either. Look at this one. See, all these guys, the reason Savior ain't over there in feeding, because this is his. He will be parked right there eating. This one here, Sonny, I think. Sonny, yeah. Is going up to the front, up to the barn to eat. So is our horse Montana. And what was that? I thought I heard something out in the woods. Sorry, guys. And Patches is going up there. We got to open that gate right up here, and then they trail right over there, go up to the front. Look at the big dog down there, guys. He's so beautiful. There's two of them. There's a girl and a boy. I still ain't got them down right yet. The names. Let's walk down here, guys. Check things out. You're a rough little one. All your food's on the ground. What are you doing? Look at that. She just put all her food on the ground. Him. See, there's my wife. Come on now. Let's go eat. Here they come, guys. That guy's foot up there. Hey, Patches. That's our beautiful horse, guys. Ain't she pretty? Come on, Patches. Come on. Sonny, let's go eat. You don't want food? Go. I get nervous getting behind her butt like that. My wife does it all the time. Well, guys, I just wanted to show you over here real quick. I know y'all seen that here before. Tell you what, in a minute, we're going to go up to the big barn. I want to show you a few more animals. So, I'll snap my fingers, and we'll be there. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, guys. I'm back. We are over here at the Learning Farm. As you can see, there's a big barn right here behind us. Actually, they bring kids out here on field trips time to time, from what I've heard. And they got a little playground back here. I'll show y'all guys. Check it out. Right back here, got a little playground. Pretty cool. There's the barn where they keep a lot of the animals. Here's a little chicken hut, turkeys, and then way over there, there's a fence. And that's where they keep the horses and cows. In a minute, we'll let them. We'll shut the gate up there at the house. Open that gate. Open this gate, and they'll run up in here. They're right up in here where I'm fixing to show you. So I'm going to stay behind the camera for a minute, guys. Show y'all around. Look at this guy. Man, he big. Sometimes I try to pet him, guys. Let's see if I can get it. Look at there. Pretty cool. And look at the big kitty. Big kitty, another kitty. Look. And what's the dog's name right here, Tucker? Tucker. There's Tucker. Big old dog. Pretty dog. And look, guys. There's a turkey. And look at the little goats. Here's little Luna, guys. So cute, Luna. Hey, Luna. Hey, Luna. Yeah, guys, this is Luna right here. Let me put the... Yeah, my wife wants this little baby here. She is so adorable.
She's so cute. Look at her.
Yeah, she's adorable. She's so sweet. Tiny. Yep, hey Luna. You say hey to everybody? Yeah, she's like a little bitty puppy. She's so cute, guys. She is so cute. Luna, 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 Luna. I'm trying to get it in a little bit clearer, guys. I'm sorry. Hey, Luna. There's a chick, 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 chick. See, guys, I got all these pins right here. We'll open these pins after we put in all their food. And all the animals are running their little pens. I'll show you some of the animals in here. There's some more goats. Look at them playing. Oh, look, guys. Little Luna. Where you at? Look at her. She wants to come up here to Steven. Yes, she does. She's so sweet. Look, guys. Let's see if I can turn the camera around a little bit. Hey, Luna. Ain't she cute, guys? Go play, baby. We're gonna get you some food. Yeah. Yeah. She's so cute. And guys, Ernie, the 600+ pound pig, will be in a minute. This is his little area. Check it out. He has his own TV. He's got a little writing studio too, where he writes books and stuff. And a lot of times we can find eggs over here with a chicken sneak in here and lay eggs. Let's see if we see any. I don't see any. Oh, Luna's still down here, guys. Check it out. Luna! There she is. She's so adorable. This pen right here's got a huge cow, guys. We'll let him in a minute. And he is so big. He's got some big old horns. Luna's still on my tail. But here's another little area too. Well, I don't see the peacock, guys, way back there. I will show you more of the peacocks in a minute. But I'll tell you what, let's walk over here. Let me turn you around so you can see my ugly face. Now, this place is wonderful, guys. I enjoy it so much over here. And like I said, jot down in the comments, I can show you around here sometime. It's very, very awesome. I love this place. There's a peacock right there, guys. See how pretty that blue? And there's some pigs out here too. Let me show you. I forgot what my wife said kind of pigs are, but I would take you back there too and show you the pigs. There's a bunch back there. You got chickens up in here. There's your peacock. Look right here. It's like a little bitty barn hut. Miss Linda's got a wonderful place here, guys. Amazing. I won't ask her and see if she cares if I film here time to time. I just want to show you a few other animals. And there's a little bit more to come too. When animals come up in the morning a little bit, I will take and show you them when it comes zooming up in here. When, like I said, when we open this fence, we had to close the fence that comes up in here so it don't run out in the road. Well, not road, but out there. And they will run up in here and go to their stalls. It's so neat. Let's check it out. I'm gonna turn you back around. Guys, I'm fixing to start getting you some 4K footage too, Ultra HD, because right now I think you got like 720p, and sometimes this thing just, I don't know, just don't come in too good. And see, mostly chickens. There's the wifey. Who you feeding now, baby? Let me go around and open all the gates, or?
Yeah, we put that in Johnny's.
Johnny's?
Yeah, he's a little mini.
Okay. Just dump it in this bucket here.
Up in that blue one.
Oh, the blue one. Yeah, she does a wonderful job over here, my wife does. She feeds all these animals, and it's pretty awesome. Yeah, guys, what I'm gonna do is put you out front, and I'll probably just be a little quiet so you can look at the animals. I will be back with you in a second. Tucker. Look how big Tucker is, guys. He's such a good dog. Hey, kitty, 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 kitty. Luna, what are you doing? Luna. Come here, guys. I want to go out here and show you a chicken coop. Hey, guys and gals, what are you doing? Oh, look at this turkey up there. They got a little turkey pen right here. Y'all got any eggs? What in the world is this? That ain't no egg. It's a golf ball. I guess they practicing. check over here. Oh, look at y'all. What are y'all doing? Oh, look, guys. Check it out. Some eggs. And look at this beautiful girl. You got some babies up under there? Huh? There's 2 peacocks over there, guys. Right over there. I'll try to zoom in for you. There's Piggy. That ain't the 600-pound pig, though, guys. That's probably the size of ours.
Get him.
There's the restrooms, guys. Look at the peacocks there. So cool. This is a little playground for the kids when they come over here, guys. Miss Linda's got an amazing place and a wonderful place for kids. I mean, man, I'd love to have this place. But guys, there's our little pig hut right over here. We gotta feed them in a little while. We're trying to find Ernie, the 600-pound pig, 600+ pound pig. There, well, but somewhere out here. Guys, we're fixing to let the horses and the cows and everything out. It's so crazy. Look at them, guys. Stampede! Look how big he is, guys. He's huge. Scares me a little bit. They all know where they go. Look at him, guys. The donkey's cute. And now we gotta shut this, and then we gotta make sure they all get in the right stalls and make sure they ain't eating each other's food. We'll walk over here and check it out. Come on. Do I need to shut this gate, baby, or leave it open? Alright, guys. Now, gotta shut this gate. Oh, I should have spun my camera around the other way, but it will work. Give me a second. Now we've got to walk up here and make sure everybody went in their rightful stalls. Here's the donkeys. Let's check it out, guys. See, we got to shut them in their stalls. So the other animals won't eat the other animals' food. Look, Dakota. Hey, baby. Can you say hey to everybody? Here's Daisy. Oh, who is it? You gotta watch out. They're running. Sky. I'm sorry, guys. This one is Sky. Look, there's Ernie, man. He's crazy. Like I said, he comes up to me like tall. He's like 4 foot tall, and like 6, 7 foot long. He's big, way bigger in person. There's the sheep. And look, these are the ones we have a problem with right here. Oh God, this one stinks, guys. Yet, where you want these to go, baby?
They need to go out there.
Okay. Oh gosh, this is the fun part, guys. No. Come on, baby. No. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get out of there. Baby. Sorry, guys. Trying to make sure the animal's all in the rightful spot. Baby, that first stall, do I need to shut it off down there where it says Johnny?
There ain't nothing in it.
Oh.
There ain't no food or anything.
Okay.
Hold on. When I bring him over here, crack that.
Okay, there he comes. Hey, baby. I'm used to having my camera over here in this one, guys. Here, do it this way. You may get him, babe? Hold on. Come on, get your ass over there. Get over there. Get over there. Get up in there. God, he stinks, guys. It's crazy. No, come on. You gotta come back over here.
Come here. Hello, come here.
Come on, baby. No. Go back over there. You can go over there and eat. Go ahead and go over there and eat. Baby. It's fun doing this
Now when you
sometimes.
start getting on the deal, that's when he wants to freak out and run from everybody.
I'm gonna go around here. Make sure you don't. Sorry, guys. See, this what I mean. It's fun. We have a good time over here. But when it comes to feeding in the mornings over here, whoo, it's still fun. But we gotta make sure all the animals get in their rightful spot. Come on, baby. Come on. Go over there to yours. There we go. Check him out, guys. He's a beautiful horse. Whoa. Yeah. Ooh, you smell that. Come on now. Baby. He's coming in there again. Hey, big guy. Look. The donkeys. Look at the little pony, guys. So cute. Now this guy right here, guys, stinks so bad. He's got an awful smell. I don't know why. You just smell him when he walks by. Check out the goats and the sheep. This place is so big, guys. If you look over there, there's a little teepee for the kids when they come over here. That's really cool. I'd take y'all out there one day. Oh, there he is, over there eating. Good. What is it? Yay! Alright, guys, here's the cow, the bull I wanted to show y'all. He's so big, guys. Look at him. He plays with these toys right here. That's my wife, the name. Because I ain't been coming over here too long, you know. I've been I came with my wife the last couple of times, but I don't know all of his names right off the bat. So I'm still learning names. Let's see here. He's a little bitty guy too. I mean, he ain't little, but he's smaller than this one. Hey there. The food good? You gonna say hey to everybody? I'm gonna learn all y'all's names one day. This pretty one. Look at there. There's Luna, everybody. Say hey to Luna. Hey, Luna. Hey, Luna. Look at little Luna. You want to say hey to everybody, Luna? Here, Luna. Luna. Look. Hey, hey. Hey. And the cat. What is it? Luna's so gorgeous. I love her, guys. She's so sweet. So sweet. She has to be held, too. Ain't that right, Luna? Not be petted and held? Yeah? Say hey to everybody? Huh? And you say kitty kitty. Pretty kitty kitty kitty. And pretty Luna. Yeah. Pretty Luna. Uh-oh, look who's coming, guys. Don't. And there's Ernie. Guys, Ernie, he ain't probably the biggest pig I've seen. He is like the tallest and longest probably, but I have seen like pigs at the fair, like just overgrown pigs. But Ernie's he's well taken care of, and he's very fit. He's tough, really big. Look at there. Yeah, guys, y'all will be seeing more of this place. Like I said, my content's gonna get better and better. Oh, look at Luna, guys. Hey, Luna. But definitely start bringing y'all out here with me more often, so y'all can see the animals and how they doing, how they growing. But I do want to make sure it's okay with Miss Linda, because this is her farm. It's her pride, her joy. You know, she built all this. So I definitely want to make sure it's okay with Miss Linda. We'll make more videos here. Look at this one. I don't know if he wants to eat me or what, but he is on his way over here. He's getting closer and closer every time I turn my head. Baby, you need a hand? Is that for the pigs?
No, that's our cat.
Say hey. That's my wife. Come on, Luna. Go see your mama right there. Your adopted mama.
You get out.
What the heck? Dude, what are you doing? You better not come at me like that. Look, guys. He keeps coming at me like he's gonna hurt me or something. There's my wife, Brooke. She loves animals. And she actually brought me more into the animal world. Before, you know, I wasn't I loved animals, but I love them a whole lot more now.
That's Chloe.
Oh, wait, this is Chloe the kitty. And this is Luna. The Luna the goat. And this thing right here is scaring the shit out of me. Excuse my language, guys. What the heck? Man, I will tackle you, I swear. Guys, what do you think? What is he trying to do to me?
It's sizing you.
He's sizing me up. Man, I'll eat you. No, just kidding. What in the world?
Cut it out and go away.
You better not come at me. Here.
Go away, come on.
Where's this one go, baby?
Go, come on, go away. Come on, go. Thank you. There's the cow.
Hey guys, we're going over here to feed the cows. Walk over to my wife.
Let that little shit get out.
Who?
It has to come through the hole.
Probably. Yeah, we gotta go feed the cows over here where we let all the animals out. We gotta walk over there real quick.
Don't let Miss Piggy back in.
I used to have my camera the other way on my other hand, but this will work. I don't want to flip it. Are you going out the little gate? Guys, we will go out here and
Watch out, Ethan.
I'll show you these few animals y'all seen probably a little bit a while ago. And that's Miss P right there, guys. Miss P. And look at this turkey. He's just constantly coming after me for some reason. I don't know. There, got it. My wife is feeding the big cows, guys. See, these cows out in the, what you say, the orchard, I guess. These stay out here. These won't come inside the gate and eat with the other ones. See little chickens. This place is beautiful, guys. Check it out. It's amazing. But guys, yeah, I just want to show you the cows real quick. Like I said, I'll bring you out here once again. I love y'all so much. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you think about here. It's pretty awesome. I love you guys. Take care of yourself.